Hey guys, today let's learn how to create a personalized contact poster on iOS 17. So if you guys want to go ahead and create your own personalized contact poster on the new iOS 17 softwares in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to basically do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first in order for us to do this is to go ahead and of course launch the specific contact. So in this case, I'm going to tap on my phone's application right here. And what I want to do is to create our own contact poster. So in this case, all we need to do is to go ahead and tap on our names over here, and we're going to have the option to create our contact photo and poster. So all we need to do is to tap on this option right here, and we're going to have the option to continue with creating our own contact poster. In this case, all we need to do from here is to follow all of these on-screen instructions. As you see, you could also edit your name over here and also your surname if you prefer to do so. And in this case, you could actually choose your specific poster. So you could choose from your photos, you could choose also a meme emoji or a monogram. So in this case, I think I'm just going to choose some photo from my photos application. And once you've already chosen the specific photo that you want to use, we can now go ahead and proceed with also changing the other parameters on here, like the name or the font over here. We could actually choose fonts that is available by default and also change the font size if we choose to. In this case, I'm just going to go with this one over here, and let's actually make this a little bit thinner than usual. And let's also change the color, and I prefer to set this to a tone of blue, and that is going to be good for me as well. So once you're done, go ahead and just choose a specific filter if you want to, but in this case, the default filter is going to also be good for me. So tap on done once you're done, and we can now go ahead and tap on continue with our preview poster right here. Now we could also set a contact photo, and let's actually just go ahead and crop this to fit. This is also going to depend on your preference, and basically based on my preference, I think this is going to be better on my case. So once this is done, just go ahead and choose your preferred photo, tap on continue, and then all we need to do from here is, as you see, you could also tap on edit again if you prefer to change the orientation of it. You could also change your name if you prefer as well, and also share this specific poster or this contact poster to your context only, everyone, or basically always ask to do so. In this case, I think I'm going to double check this option, and yeah, this is going to be good for me, and basically I'm going to proceed with tapping on cancel because I'm already happy with the results. So tap on done once you're done, and that's how you could easily create your contact poster on your iPhone. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.